Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my beer braised wings. These are so tasty and really easy to do. Alright, first thing I've got around about 1.6 kilos of chicken wings. Now these are a half wing and the tips have been removed, so I'm just going to make these into flats and drumsticks. I'm just going to use my meat cleaver, find the joint, cut through and separate all these wings into flats and drumsticks. Okay, nice and easy. You can buy these already cut, you can buy them and try, doesn't matter. I'm going to add in around about 3 teaspoons worth of baking soda, like that. Put that straight over the top, really simple. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these wings with room temperature water, just cover them up, and that baking soda is going to help tenderize these and make them absolutely just fall straight off the bone. Alright, I'm going to leave that for around about anywhere between 15 minutes to an hour. The longer you leave them, the better they will turn out. Make sure you give them all a bit of a stir around, like I'm doing right there, and it's also going to remove any impurities. Alright, we've left our wings, we've drained the water out of that, and we're just going to arrange our wings into a baking pan or baking tray, and just like that. And I'm going to add in 1 can or 300ml of beer. Now, being a Canberra boy, I'm using a Canberra beer. It's just plain old bent spoke beer, nothing special. You add that straight over the top. That's what it looks like, and it does taste really, really good. I'm not a big beer drinker, but I love cooking with beer, believe it or not. Nice big knob of butter. All right, around about sort of 30 grams worth, and a good dose of salt, probably about 2 teaspoons worth of salt, just everyday normal salt. I'm also going to add in around about 2 teaspoons worth, maybe a little bit more, of some smoked paprika. Right, just dust that over the top like that, and it's going to give us a nice smoky flavour and a nice rich colour at the end. Alright, so just sprinkle that all over the top as best as you can. And I've also got about the same again, probably about 1 good teaspoon's worth, maybe a little bit more, of freshly ground black pepper. I would just ground that into that nice little dish, so it makes it a little bit easier for me on camera. And here I've got 5 cloves of garlic, which I'll just put through my garlic press. You can use garlic powder if you want. If you want to use the garlic paste, you can, but this will just disperse a little bit better. Now here I've got around about 3.5 teaspoons worth, maybe a little bit more. You can go as much or little as you like, but we're going to put some soy sauce in there, and it's going to give us a nice saltiness to it and a nice rich colour. Alright, I'd probably actually go about 3.5 tablespoons personally. I'm going to put the lid on, and I'm going to put that into the oven for around about 20 minutes. Alright, I'm going to take that back out, and we've got that in the oven at around about that sort of 180 degree mark. Alright, so there is our first cook, and we're just going to give these all a bit of a turn around, make sure everything gets nice and even, and it's going to help disperse any of those other spices that we had on top. Right, so I'm just going to put our lid back on. I'm going to put that back in for about 10 minutes, right, just like that. Really simple. Now I'm going to leave the lid off. Now here I've got some tomato ketchup and mustard, around about 1.5 tablespoons of each. Put that straight in, just like I'm doing right there. Give that all a bit of a stir around. Really simple, and that's going to give us a real nice sort of richness to our sauce, to our glaze. Now we're going to add in honey to taste. I'm just using inexpensive honey. I'm not using my normal gourmet honey that I use. It's not worth using that for a dish like this, so just using inexpensive honey. Alright, give all of that a good mix through, and all we have to do now, we're going to leave our lid off. We're mixing that through just like that, and we're going to put this back into the oven uncovered until that sauce thickens up and we end up with a beautiful glaze over the wings just like that. How easy was that to do? Thank you so much for watching this video. I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. Hit that like button if you like this video, and if you don't like the video, hit that like button anyway. It helps the algorithm. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell and be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them, and I always do. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make really nice wings just like this one and other dishes, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'm off to eat my beer braised wings, and I will catch you next time. Bye.